what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, as you can already tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a room tour today. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen, so let me go into my room and tour my room. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Okay guys, this is my room, as you can see. So this right here is my bed. And this is a coat rack where you can keep all your coats and stuff. As you can see, I have a large mirror here, and you can see two trash bins where you can throw your trash and dispose of anything that you don't need. And then you have this really nice closet. And whatever you want to keep in. So as you can see, these are my clothes, my shoes as well, and other valuables of mine. And then this is the decks right here. The simple decks where I can do my study. It has a chair as well, and you can see the shelves here. I have some of my books here. So I'm a real estate and urban planning student, so you can see my economics textbook, because it's very important for business people to know a little bit about economics and what happens in the economic world. And this is my laptop where I do some of my edits. So I have two laptops. This one basically is for editing my YouTube videos, because it's a really fast laptop and it does most of my edits really well. And this is a very huge picture window here. Where you can see the entire view of the uni, of the campus. So yeah, this is a really nice room. And now I'm going to also tour my toilet, because this is a shared room. So I share bathrooms with other of my flatmates as well. So it's not like a single room with a bathroom in it. So I also share bathrooms with other people. So let's go right now and check out the bathrooms. Okay guys, this is the bathroom. So this is the toilet here. And you can see you have a sink as well. And a shower. So that's basically it. You have your toilet, shower, and you also have this where you can dry your towel if you want to. So it's just a simple bathroom. Yeah, so this is what a toilet in Windsor Hall particularly looks like, a shared bathroom looks like. So you share it with a couple of people as well. So this is basically how it looks. You have your mirror, everything is here, everything you expect to see in a bathroom is here. So that's it, guys. Alright guys, let's tour the kitchen. So this is the kitchen right here. As you can see, you have a microwave and you have a freezer, and you have a fridge as well. So you have a toaster and you have an electric boiler. So basically everything you need in a kitchen, because it doesn't have a stove, because self catered, not self catered. So assuming if I was self catered, I won't be in this particular hall, I'll be in another hall, but I'm catered, so I don't really need so much equipment to make food or anything else. So you have a zinc as well, and you can also throw trash here. So everything you need to have, uh, you need in the kitchen is right here, and you have all these shelves as well. So this is basically it. Alright guys, so that's basically the tour of my room and my flat as well. So you got to see my room, the shared toilet, and the kitchen as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.